Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and locate the Do Not Disturb mode. It should be added by default, and for me it is visible right here. Once you see it, you can hold it first time around, as this will quickly take you to the settings. And in here you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. Once you've gone through this, close this up, and then whenever you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, just tap on a toggle and you're good to go. Now by default you will also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will run indefinitely in the background. So when you're done using it, just click on the toggle once more and this turns it off. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.